Take out your English binder, turn to your vocabulary notes section, and be prepared to write in the Cornell note format. Please divide the page into two columns. On the right, you will write the word or root word, and on the left, you will write the definition and any other helpful notes or examples. Please pause the video at any time if you feel that I am going too fast. The first word is upthrust. Upthrust is a verb simply meaning to thrust upward. While this term is often used in physics, upthrust as an action can mean to elevate part of the Earth's surface. For example, volcanic activity upthrust broken land into a disheveled pile. Or, frost caused the ground to upthrust. Engender. Engender is a verb meaning to be produced or caused, to come into existence. This can be used in reference to the cause of events like conditions for war were engendering in Europe, or engender can be used in reference to the developing of feelings or sensations. Seasickness is engendered by unstable ground. Awful. Awful is an adjective with two specific meanings. More commonly used in this sense today, awful can mean extremely bad, unpleasant, or ugly, as in, she did an awful job cleaning the house. However, the word awful originated from words like awe or awesome, having reference to something solemnly impressive or that which inspires awe. The awful majesty of the alpine peaks were breathtaking. Similar to the word awful, dumb also differs in its modern usage and its meaning of origin. Dumb, an adjective, can be defined as lacking intelligence or good judgment, stupid, or dull-witted. For example, he was inept and dumb when it came to mathematics. This form of the word is obviously an insult. On the other hand, dumb can more generally refer to one lacking the power of speech, someone mute or silent. For instance, she was left dumb with astonishment and she did not know what to say. Tenuous. Tenuous is an adjective describing something lacking a sound basis as reasoning, something unsubstantiated or weak. For example, a tenuous argument was made that could not be taken seriously. Reverence. Reverence is a noun, a feeling or attitude of deep respect tinged with awe or veneration. One could show reverence to an awful thing, awful in the archaic sense of the word, of course. For instance, we can never show enough reverence for our military service workers. Wary. Wary is an adjective describing one who is watchful, being on one's guard, especially against or in times of danger. The young mother gave the toddler a wary look as he tried to climb onto the couch. Wary, in its related noun form, is wariness, which is the state or quality of being wary. Sam's wariness made his senses heighten. Rites. A rite is a noun, a formal or ceremonial act or procedure prescribed or customary in religious or other solemn uses. Wedding ceremonies can be considered rites, while also college fraternity or sorority initiations could be rites in a more informal sense. The driver's license is the initiation rite into adulthood. Restoration. Restoration, a noun, is the act of restoring, renewal, revival, or reestablishment. Restoration is the process of making new, whether something tangible like restoring an old building, or making new something more abstract, like restoring a broken relationship. A restoration effort was implemented to protect the forest. And finally, consummate. Consummate is a verb meaning to bring to completion or perfection, to fulfill. Having similar roots with sum or summit, consummate has reference to coming to a conclusion or attaining an ultimate goal. For example, the company consummated its deal to buy a smaller firm.